Don't put your hands on me, right?
I'm not touching you.
You did touch
me,
me,
I
right?
did. I touched your camera.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Senor Contino. A big thanks for making me aware of this video. It is a short one, but there is a lot going on. Officer Christopher Schreck of the NYPD is believed to have arrived late to his shift on May 31st. In response, his supervisor, Lieutenant Jeffrey Gurley, took him into the station house's Safe Horizons room, which is where domestic violence victims and juveniles are interviewed. There are cameras throughout the precinct, but that particular room has none. So the immediate question becomes, why would a supervising officer bring another officer into a private room to reprimand them? Luckily, Schreck was wearing his body cam and activated it a few minutes into the encounter. Most body cams have a buffer that records video anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes of video footage without audio once activated. This particular model keeps 1 minute of video prior to its activation. During the silent portion, you can see Lieutenant Gurley allegedly imitate Schreck's walk and compare his gait to the animated character Schreck. As Officer Schreck leaves the room, he activates his body cam.
Which one you gonna do? Which one you gonna do? You say you're on your camera? Good. Good, because guess what? You're not supposed to take me. So guess what? Now you need the CD for recording. You're not supposed to be recording. That's what you're gonna get a CD for. I hope that's on camera.
Don't put your hands on me, right?
I'm not touching you.
You did touch
me,
me,
I
right?
did.
Don't
I
put
touched your camera.
Right.
I touched your camera. You're getting a CD for this person. Goodbye, sir.
By all means.
Goodbye, sir.
By all means.
Goodbye, sir.
The NYPD's patrol guide bars cops from activating their body cameras in non-enforcement situations, and Lieutenant Gurley tells Schreck that he will receive a CD, or command discipline citation, for recording the interaction. While the recording violates the department policy, New York's wiretapping law is a one-party consent law. New York makes it a crime to record or eavesdrop on an in-person or telephone conversation unless one party to the conversation consents, which makes Officer Schreck's actions in line with New York state law. Schreck was allegedly hit with command disciplines for discourtesy, being off post, and not signing the patrol log, but both officers remain on duty. This incident is, however, under internal review. We will probably never know the results of this case, but it certainly raises more questions about why cops are so afraid of cameras and the transparency they offer. Let me know what you think of this down below. Was Officer Schreck out of line for filming his supervisor, or should he have been allowed to record the interaction? Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.